morning dear students. Today in accountancy class our topic is insolvency of debtor. So first of all I will explain regarding sale. So basically there are two types of sales: cash sales and credit sale. In cash sale immediately we will receive amount from the debtor, but in credit sale amount will be received later. So to person or parties to whom we sell goods on credit are known as debtors. These persons or parties are known as debtors, and debtors are basically of two types: good debtors and bad debtors. Good debtors are also known as solvent. Means these are the persons who basically give our amount on time, and on the contrary there are second type of persons, second type of debtors who are known as insolvents. So these are the person whose financial position is not good and they are not able to pay off their liabilities on time. And finally they become insolvent. So we are having one or two transactions related with this. You can see first transaction is Ram, who owed us rupees 10,000, is declared insolvent and 30 paise in a rupee is received from his estate. So Ram was our debtor and he became insolvent, and we are receiving only 30% from his estate. So see what journal entry will come and how we will write this journal entry. See, whatever amount we are receiving, that is cash, and cash is our one of the example of real account. So we are receiving cash, so cash account will be debited, and this time irrecoverable amount from Ram will be known as bad debts. Okay, and that is our one of the loss, and you know all expenses and losses will be debited. So bad debts account will be debited, and here given is Ram, so Ram's account will be credited. Simple narration will come. Now come to amount. Receivable amount from Ram was 10,000. So in credit column it will come 10,000. And see, we are receiving only 30% from Ram. So 30% of 10,000 will be 3,000. That will come in cash, and our loss is 7,000. So like this we will pass journal entry of bad debts. In second case you can see rupees 10,000 due from Rohit are now bad debts. It means we are not receiving anything from Rohit. So see what journal entry will come. Entire amount will be treated as bad debts, and once again bad debt is one of the loss, and all expenses and losses will be debited. So here bad debts account will be debited. Bad debts account debit. Total amount is 10,000, and your debtor is Rohit to Rohit, and simple narration will come being amount converted into bad debts. Okay, and 10,000 will come in credit side also like this. So like this we will pass journal entries of bad debts. Thank you.